Hey guys, welcome back to Sketchy Vert channel. Got some exciting news. My Precisions just arrived. I haven't opened them yet or anything, I haven't looked at them, but I've been working with Doug from Motion Raceworks. He ended up talking to me about getting a bigger turbo setup, like a 76, 75 turbo, and I'm pretty excited to open this box. I haven't even looked at it yet, so it looks pretty good. But it's been really crummy around here with the weather and everything, so I wish I could get more videos for you guys, but unfortunately I cannot because it's been cold out. So when this stuff goes away, I'm gonna post a ton of stuff. I'm gonna try to just keep the videos coming for you guys, but till then, I'm gonna bring this box in, we're gonna open it up and see what we got inside.
She wants the bigger turbos.
I think my cat wants the bigger turbos. Dixie, the turbos will come inside in a minute. I know you wanna see them too. Alright. Thank you to the UPS gods. Oh, dang, this thing's heavy. Alright. Time to open the package. Oh boy. It's like Christmas came late, but it's okay. Ooh. Got me a nice Motion Raceworks decal there. Oh, damn, this is not like... Oh. It's much bigger than my other turbos. Oh boy. I finally got Precisions, baby. Wow. Gosh, that's a lot bigger than my other turbo was. I just want to see you. There we go. Brand new Precisions. Car guy's dream right here. Now next we'll be installing these bad boys. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm excited to say that I got my care package from Motion Raceworks. The care package involved the catch can and turbo couplings and things like that for the new turbos. It's time to get started, get this thing done so we could take it to Cleetus and Cars next month, his first one that he's got going on there. So I'm excited. I'm gonna take some videos of dropping the car off. Sketchy's not running, so that's gonna be fun, trying to get out of the trailer and things like that. But it's gonna be good to get it out of storage and get started. But here, I'll show you what we got going on here. Here's the catch can, the couplers for the turbos. We got some new hoses. Got a couple hats, some shirts from them guys, and the turbos. Can't wait to drop this all off, get it all in Sketchy, and head to Cleetus and Cars. Me and Corey here are working on the old turbos, getting them out of Sketchy so we can ship these off to her on speed and get them redone, because I had a leaking issue with one last year, well this year still, but so one's leaking, we're gonna get it fixed, so we're just gonna send them both back. And I just noticed while we're doing that, I'll take that I was losing some boost because we didn't have the flange on the exhaust there, so she was leaking a little bit of boost out of it right there. So I'm going to talk to her on and see if we can get something for that and kind of go from there. But yeah, taking these bad boys off, ship them out, get ready for next year. That'll be a good time. Stuff some rags down here so this dirt don't get down there. This one's giving us a little bit of a headache. Right, Corey?
It's a little tight squeeze in here.
They are out. Kind of a pain in the butt, but nothing that Corey and I can handle, right, Corey?
Amen.
All right, now to get them shipped to Huron. Guys, it's Friday. I'm here at Shop Inc. dropping Sketchy off. I'm in the process of taking it out of the trailer. It's really cold out, so I'm not going to talk very long just because I'm freezing. But anyways, get that thing in there and we're going to get started on it ASAP. So, okay. Oh, she stopped. Get over the lump. Okay. Push, Maddie, push. Okay. All right. There we go. Sketchy's on the move out. That's what I was talking about before with the rear main being bad. Here, Matt. Good. She's heavy. She's off. All right. All right, all the hard work is done. Sketchy's inside, ready to get started. Got the turbos and everything that I need with the crank pressure release system here, catch can, everything else from Motion Raceworks. So now it's just time to get started on this bad boy. All right. Alright guys, I am back here at Chad's shop. It is Monday. I dropped Sketchy off on Friday. Those guys worked on it pretty late and got it going. Maddie sent me a picture, got the turbos in. There's just a few more things are buttoning up on the car, but it looks like I'm gonna be able to make it to Cleetus and Cars this month and see what they look like. I'm pretty excited. So let's go on in and see what they got going on. Sketchy on the lift. Got Chad and Maddie over there. Hey guys, how are you guys doing today?
We're good. How about you?
Good for a Monday. It's not as cold.
Well, yesterday was beautiful. It's cold as piss compared to yesterday. But
yeah, that's true. Another day I dropped Sketchy off. That was
cold.
That was cold. I was not wanting to stand out there and talk and do this whole YouTube thing. But anyways, we got it in the lift and kind of going from there. What all did you guys do over the weekend?
Maddie's been busy.
Maddie's been busy.
Turbos, got the new precision turbos on. Thanks, Doug.
Yes, Motion Raceworks, you guys are awesome. Appreciate that.
Got the catch can and breather system all done.
Again, thanks again to Motion Raceworks for all that stuff. So how did you get the breather can and everything?
I mounted it on the firewall.
I suppose you want to see.
Yeah, I want to see this. Bring her down. Yeah, now we don't have to worry about blowing out the rear main seal on the engine with the new kit we got going on in there.
Yeah, definitely will have a lot better ventilation.
Sweet. Oh boy. Yeah, they are a lot bigger, aren't they? Surprised we didn't run out of room with the 76s.
Yeah, it looks badass.
Turned out really nice. Good job. I see the two big tubes aren't running across there anymore. They must...
clean that up and you can see it. Catch can back there.
Oh yeah. Nice. So little details that help. Just little things. That looks good. Good job, Maddie.
Thank you.
Now we just, are you going to Cleetus and Cars now?
I am.
You are?
I am.
Are you excited for that?
I am.
Are you going to do the demo drags again?
If they have a car.
If they have a car.
I'm just hoping the weather's good. Get out of this 20-degree stuff.
Yeah, I agree. That's why I'm like...
Be a nice 3-day break to get at least into some 60s or 70s hopefully.
Yeah, that would be killer weather. Maddie, poor Maddie's got to stay here and work. Run the shop.
Gotta pay the bills.
Gotta pay the bills. He's working on that beast over there. What is that called?
It's a turd.
It's a turd. I doubt it. If Maddie owns it, that car is gonna rip like sevens this year.
Awesome. And it's got an old sketchy motor in it.
It's got an old sketchy
The heart
motor.
of Sketchy.
The heart. Oh, you got the Sketchy's motor over here, the old one. Jeez,
Still says Sketchy.
that's crazy. It still looks brand new. It's kind of weird to see the, you know, new to old. That's awesome. Heck yeah. Yep, I'm excited to get that, get down to Texas and have fun.
Heck yeah.
How much nitrous are you gonna throw at that?
Maybe 250 shot.
250 shot LSX block. It'll handle that.
Yeah. 427 now, not a 387.
Oh yeah, that's right. I did. That's it. Oh, you had it bored out.
Bigger stroke.
Bigger stroke.
4-inch stroke now.
Oh, okay. Wow. Yeah, because it was a 387 before.
Yep.
So it's done right now.
We'll see.
That's great. Perfect. Yeah, I'm excited, man. This is gonna be fun. Thanks for busting A on this car while I was working and doing jobs.
To pay for it.
To pay for it, yes.
That's the way it works, unfortunately.
Yes, it is. Yeah, it was a busy week, that's for sure. But hey, it's okay. That's what I do anyways. There's some things I need to button up on it before Cleetus and Cars I could do myself, but this stuff was the major stuff I kind of over my head, so.
Yeah.
Especially.
It'd be nice to get the harnesses in there.
Get those in there, and oh yeah, we gotta get those in there too. We got the harnesses in. Thanks to Greg. Oh boy. Those are awesome.
Keep it planted.
Yeah.
So that's a 5-point harness?
Correct.
Nice. Undo that, twist it, and...
So twist it. 4 of them will come out.
Holy crap.
One stays attached.
That's awesome. Yeah. Thanks again, Greg Garrison, for the hookup on the seat belts. That's definitely going to help get Sketchy more in the more safe zone. Just hopefully get those on before Cleetus and Cars. I don't know what all it's going to entitle for work, but
we'll at least have them on there with your stock seat for now.
Until I can get the Recaros or whatever.
And then I'll keep bugging you about finishing the cage off.
Yeah, we'll do that too. We'll get that done for sure. one of these days. I mean, it is done. It has a roll cage.
It has a roll bar.
That's
on a convertible.
That'll hold. It's not like I trapped that kind of mile an hour to need it.
Yeah.
It's like, you know what, like a 10-second roll bar, like 11-second?
No, in a convertible, that's a 14-second roll bar.
Oh.
1350s.
1350s, yeah.
Good thing Sketchy's not that fast then.
Awesome 13-second car.
It is. It's heavy, so it's not that fast. That's great. Awesome. Well, thanks again, guys. I'm going to head out. I'm sure you don't want me in your way. I could do that stuff when I get home. But when do you think I can pick it up?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay. Sweet. I'll come get it tomorrow. I'll get my garage ready for her and get everything else figured out. So thanks again, Maddie. Appreciate it, buddy.
Thank you.
Thank you. And Chad, Always a pleasure.
Always. We'll be there in Houston.
Oh boy.
Making some power.
Oh, I'll even have my tuner there.
Well,
so
yeah, you can't beat that, right?
yeah, and I guess I have a call out on YouTube. So he's one of the Bullet's friends. So I just got a call out today on YouTube, but
You know what it runs?
I don't know. They're just getting it done now. So it's a
That's good. Then if they're going to be working on their tune-up, we'll be working on a new tune-up with these turbos. So
yeah, that'll be
good.
fine. I think I think they're just finishing the car up. So
It's always fun to have good friendly competition going.
absolutely, I'm always in for friendly competition. That's what I built this car for. So hey guys, what's up? I am at the Shop Inc. Just changed oil on Sketchy, getting ready for next week. We are heading to Houston next Wednesday night, I believe. So pretty excited again about that. I'm gonna fire up Sketchy. It'll be the first time I heard it with the new turbos and everything installed. Got oil pressures good. Harnesses look good. Oh, sounds really good. Can't believe it fired right up. That's awesome. Woohoo!